Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys a kid's recipe. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Guyanese coconut buns. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious bun for your kids, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright guys? And also I would like to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch the ads, that helps me out a lot. And also I would like to ask you guys to please subscribe to Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And all my measurements and ingredients for this dish I will also leave in the description box down below. Alright? So let me just show you my ingredients for my homemade Guyanese coconut buns. Enjoy! Hey guys, so today we're going to be making some coconut buns for the kids. So here's my ingredients. First, I have some custard powder, egg, milk, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, clove powder, and baking powder. Over here I have some butter, vanilla essence, coconut. I just grated coconut. I have my flour and sugar, so let's go and mix up all the ingredients now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my butter into the flour, just like this. And you got to take your hands and mix up the butter into the flour and make sure that the butter is well mixed up into the flour. Alright, so we'll be back. So I just mixed my butter into the flour. So what you're going to do now, this is my custard powder. So I'm going to pour in my custard powder, my nutmeg, cinnamon powder, clove powder, and my baking powder. Then I'm going to mix all of these spices into the flour, just like this. Alright, so simple. So now I'm gonna mix in my sugar. You can put how much sugar you want, but I'm gonna put a cup of sugar because the kids love their coconut buns sweet. Alright, this is just a simple coconut buns recipe. Alright guys, very easy to follow. So I just mix in my sugar. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix in my coconut flakes. This is one whole coconut here. So I'm gonna mix the flakes now into the flour. I was looking for my bigger bowl, but I don't know where it is, so I have to use this bowl. Alright guys, so the bowl was too small, so I had to switch. So I'm pouring everything over into another bowl here. I'm going to mix up my ingredients properly now. Alright, so I just put my coconut flakes. So now I'm going to pour in my 1 egg and my vanilla essence and my milk. So mix everything up and make sure everything combined. Everything is mixed up into the milk, egg, and essence. So you're gonna keep mixing it, alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished mixing it up. I had to put like about 1/4 cup more milk in it to get it to this consistency. So over here now I have some baking pan here. So I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoon in the cupcake pans. Alright, just like this. You're gonna fill up your pan. Just like this. So when I finish filling up all my pans, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I put all of my coconut buns in the pan here, so I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake for about half an hour or so we'll be back. Okay guys, I'm literally at my back door. I opened the top of the back door here, and this one I'm getting my light because my phone battery is running hot, so the flash is not coming on. So because I opened the door, I see a fly there flying around all the time. So if you see a fly in the video, it's because I have my back door open. Alright guys, sorry about that. So I'll go put it in the oven now and see you with the end results. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my coconut buns. This is the next day. I actually got too dark to video, so I had to wait till this morning, and I only have 2 pan leave back. The kids already ate 1 pan already, so I'm going to taste it on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. Hey guys, so my coconut buns is all finished now. So here are a few of the buns here. It just came out of the oven, so this is the bun here. So I'm gonna taste it on camera, let you guys see. So here it goes. It's a little hot as well too. And these buns can go perfect with a glass of milk, juice, water, anything. Wow. This is a good coconut buns. Trust me, you guys really need to make this coconut bun for your kids. The kids are home right now, so this is a perfect recipe for them, like as a snack. Well, my son, he eats his buns for breakfast, but sometimes he eats his buns for dinner as well, my baby, because he loves coconut buns. Wow, this is good. Anyway guys, let me stop eating and finish off this video. So if you guys reach to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Natural Afton. That link would be in the description box down below. Alright guys, so have a blessed day and bye.